Hi, hope you are doing great. Let me talk to you today. I mean you watching me. Let me talk to you today. You know, in catfish farming business, only believe what you see physically. Don't believe all you hear about this business. Fine, you can listen, but don't believe all you hear about this business. And let's be frank with ourselves. The business has been polluted, and false information spread rapidly, spread with speed, and these false informations are mostly spread by people that are not even into this business. They are being spread by people who don't even know what it takes to set up a catfish farm. So be careful about the information you digest when it comes to this business, catfish farming. And one of our members on our Facebook platform called in, and she told us that she lost almost half of the seeds she stocked in her farm. And out of all the questions I asked her, I would only share just one with you guys due to time here. And so I asked her that what was the pre-stocking processes that took place on the seeds before they actually stocked the seeds into the pond. And to my surprise, she said nothing. They didn't do anything. They just actually stuck in the seeds immediately it got into the farm. Then I just laughed. I knew that was where the problem actually started from. You can't bring in a new seed into your farm without giving your seeds some multivitamins to boost their immune system so as to enable them eat well on their arrival to your farm. A breeder that knows what he or she is doing will never feed your fishes on bringing them to your farm. So they will be hungry and they need something to boost their body to make them eat well, because it's been long they've eaten. So I just laughed and told her what happened, and she just like, wow, she never knew she was supposed to use, she was supposed to give them something on the arrival of the seeds. And so, you know, that's about that anyway. That's that for today. If you love what you see, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're on YouTube, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're on Facebook, kindly like our Facebook page. If you're on Twitter, kindly follow us on Twitter. Thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of your day.